Hey everyone, it's Katrin from Keto, it's Simple for Success. Here today to actually tell you about the May challenge that's happening on YouTube, on the website, and on the social media channels. This is really the opportunity for you to join us, to understand a lot more about the ketogenic way of life, the KISS plan, how we eat, how we don't eat, and how it's having such a marked effect on our health and our weight, and our self-confidence and everything else. So this is just really a shout out to you that if you've been thinking about making a change, if you've been thinking about eating better for health, or losing a bit of weight, or just getting your control back over what you're eating, then this is your opportunity. Today is the day. So around this video, you're going to see that I've put some links to the website, to our social media groups, and to everything that you're going to need in order to follow the May Challenge and to really enjoy this way of life and take a month to decide if this could be a life-changing change for you and it's something that you definitely want to do. So first thing you need to do is subscribe to this YouTube channel, because all the videos for the May challenge will be here. I'll be with you as much as I possibly can during May to give you some motivation, some top tips, some education about how you can eat better for health, and eat better to achieve your health and your weight loss goals. And yeah, I'm just going to be around, and I'm going to be in your face, and I'm going to do lots of real hardcore coaching with you. We're going to be talking about mindset. We're going to be talking about being addicted to the scales. We're going to talk about sugar. We're going to talk about relationships. We're going to talk about our relationship with food and comfort eating, and emotional eating. We're going to do the whole thing. It's going to be an entire month of changing the way we all think about food. And hopefully by the end of the month, not only will you have achieved things like a smaller waist, smaller clothes, fitting into things that you haven't fitted in for years, all those things are going to happen. But as well as that, you're going to come away with the tools that you need to start making better choices around food. Now, that'll be good for you. It'll be good for your family. It'll be good for everybody you know. And you can be the role model then, and you can be the change. So if you've watched that documentary on YouTube, not on YouTube at the moment, but on Netflix, The Magic Pill, if you've seen it and you thought, why am I not doing this? Then this is your opportunity. Jump on board with us now. Grab all the free content that I'm going to give over the next month. Really enjoy it, and let's see. Hopefully, you'll join the KISS community and jump on board with us. But if not, you'll have a month of better eating, better health, and just enjoy yourself and meet some like-minded people. So anyway, that's a little bit of an advert for the May Challenge. Like I said, the first thing you need to do is subscribe to this channel. If you press the notifications bell as well, it will tell you every time I put new content on to YouTube for the channel. So please do that. And come and visit us in the Facebook groups and just have a nosy around. Say hello, ask your questions. No such thing as a silly question with us. And anyway, I will see you soon. Bye.